Okay, so here we have the first retail unit of OnePlus 12, which was recently pre-booked and today it has been delivered. In this video, let's talk everything about this new OnePlus. So without wasting any more time, let's get started. First, let's quickly unbox and let me show you the box content. Soon you open the box, you'll get to see the device itself, followed by some paperwork like welcome guide, quick guide, safety guide, some stickers, membership card, and a SIM rejected tool. Along with this, you also have a soft rubber case. It's always good to see that OnePlus provides charging brick and the charging cable inside the box itself. You get 100-watt SuperVOOC charger along with USB to Type-C charging cable. So this is all what you get inside the box. Now let's talk about its design and ports and we'll compare it with OnePlus 11. I personally like the design of OnePlus 12 and this color which is called flowy armored color. With these textures and the matte finish is too good. We also have one more color option which is silky black. But this time phone is bit on the heavier side which is around 220 grams. If you compare with OnePlus 11, it looks thicker and also feels heavier. Comparing it with OnePlus 11, in design you won't see much of changes. Both looks identical, but the camera module is bigger on OnePlus 12. Like always, you'll have this pre-applied screen protector, and that's really good if brand provides such things. You get to see metallic frame, front glass is Gorilla Glass Victus 2 and the back glass is Gorilla Glass 5. Talking about the ports, towards the bottom side you have SIM tray, microphone, USB Type-C charging port and a speaker grill. Left side we have the OG alert slider, right side you have power button and volume button, top side IR blaster, followed by noise cancellation mic and a speaker grill. Overall, in terms of design, I don't find it much appealing, though I love this back texture and the matte finish. OnePlus 12 comes with 6.82-inch 2K AMOLED LPTO display which lets refresh rate drop to 1 Hz while not in use. It's also called adaptive refresh rate. The display is manufactured by BOE and this time it's capable of reaching high brightness of 1600 nits and the peak brightness of 4500 nits. Here in winters, there's no proper sunlight, so can't say much how it looks under direct sunlight. It has the support of Dolby Vision and HDR10+. Even in the applications like Netflix, you do get the HDR10 support along with Dolby Vision. We get 93% screen to body ratio, so bezels are also not that much. And side bezels you won't even feel due to the curved edges. Multimedia wise, we have a great stereo speaker. One thing which I noticed and felt that this time the top speaker is bit louder compared to the bottom firing speaker, which generally doesn't happen. In other smartphones, even of OnePlus, I have seen always bottom firing speaker is bit louder compared to the top one. But here, it's a different thing and I'm not sure, I only personally felt that. If you guys have got the device, do let me know in the comment section below. Content watching is also really good on OnePlus 12. Colors are vibrant and you will really enjoy watching the content on Netflix and other OTT platforms. OnePlus 12 also has this Aqua Touch feature which is very useful while using the phone with wet fingers or while it's drizzling outside. OnePlus 12 is packed with Snapdragon 8 Gen 3. The variant which we have here is 12GB/256GB RAM variant. There's another variant which is 16/512GB. We tested benchmarks on this phone. Did not test the CPU throttling app because that's outdated right now and doesn't support the latest version of Android. And all the tests was performed in the high performance mode. With Geekbench application, single core scores were 2009 and multi-core scores were 6480. We also performed GPU test in which GPU OpenCL scores were 14,053. After that we performed AnTuTu benchmark testing. Here scores were 18,99,430. When it comes to wildlife extreme test, stability scores were 62%, best loop scores were 4,953, lowest loop scores were 2,984. We only noticed 5% of battery drain with this 20 minutes of extreme test. Temperature rise was from 25 degrees Celsius to 38 degrees Celsius and the frame rate was between 13 to 37 FPS. Also guys, we tested out BGMI, but right now there is no 90 FPS support present on OnePlus 12. I saw few creators mentioning that it has the 90 FPS support, but right now on my device it is only 60 FPS. I tried enabling all the settings like adaptive frame boost, touch optimization and more. Though the 90 FPS graphics settings are present in BGMI, but I wasn't able to do games with 90 FPS. Even after enabling hyper response engine and other settings like adaptive frame booster, hyper resolution, I still did not get 90 FPS. Overall in 60 FPS the gameplay was pretty good. I did not see any kind of lags or heating issues. As said, heating I cannot confirm now because I'm in Delhi and here weather is pretty cold right now. You'll obviously feel device getting little warm. A detailed gaming test will be coming pretty soon, so stay tuned for it. When it comes to software, we all know Oxygen OS is still one of the best operating system present. The device comes out of the box with the latest build of Oxygen OS 14, and Oxygen OS 14 is still a clean UI. Only one bloatware you'll see, that is internet app, and that can also be easily uninstalled. With Oxygen OS 14, OnePlus have improved a lot on animation and transitions, so overall with no doubt you'll have a great software experience. And you'll also be getting 4 years of major OS upgrade and 5 years of security patch updates. When it comes to camera, we again have the Hasselblad collaboration with OnePlus 12. And this time we have all new LYT808 main 50 megapixel sensor, a new periscope lens which is 64 megapixel which supports 3x optical zoom, and an ultra wide Sony IMX581 which is 48 megapixel. In a limited testing, I did click few photos and I do feel OnePlus has actually improved on the camera segment this time. The skin tones are pretty natural while clicking the photos with no boosted colors or anything like that. Dynamic range is pretty well balanced. Even with the front selfies, colors are on point and pictures are very much towards the natural color. Clicking selfies in portrait mode, I did notice bit of issues with the edge detection which you can see in these photos. But with the rear camera, portrait is too good with great edge detection and a great background separation. So when it comes to portrait pictures with rear camera, with no doubt I would give 10 out of 10. For macro mode, OnePlus 12 uses ultra wide and the main sensor when you zoom in instead of telephoto lens. By the way, rear portraits were clicked with the all new 64 megapixel periscope lens in 3x mode. Okay, so finally OnePlus 12 have the support of 4K at 30 FPS using the front selfie camera, and this is how the video looks. You can see the dynamic range plus the stabilization. I personally feel it is good enough on OnePlus 12. Okay, so this video we are recording using the rear camera which has the max support of 8K at 24 FPS, but this video is recorded in 4K at 60 FPS. You guys can see the stabilization, audio quality, colors, dynamic range, etc. Let me know your thoughts in the comment section below. A detailed camera video will be dropping pretty soon, so if you're new to our channel and if you think our content is useful to you, then make sure to smash that like button. This time OnePlus 12 comes with a large battery which is 5400 mAh along with a 100 watt SuperVOOC charger, and it also has the 50 watt wireless charging support. Until now I don't have any complaints with the battery backup. I did perform some heavy tasks and till now the device was used in high performance mode with 63% battery still remaining. The screen on time is 2 hours and 23 minutes. If you see, in which we also use camera a little bit, gaming and other benchmark tests were performed. But right now I won't give any kind of statement related to battery backup. I'll keep you guys posted on my Twitter account. So if you haven't followed me on Twitter, make sure to follow there. If you guys remember, OnePlus 11 had one of the best haptic feedback, but OnePlus 12 have nailed the haptic feedback this time. And you'll have a great experience using haptic feedback on OnePlus 12. Connectivity wise, it comes with Wi-Fi 7 support, Bluetooth 5.4. You get all the 5G bands along with the support of NFC. This time OnePlus 12 comes with USB 3.2 Gen 1 and UFS 4.0 for better file transfer. And good thing about USB 3.2 Gen 1, now you can use your OnePlus 12 to do live streaming using Elgato or other streaming devices, which was a big problem and a lot of users used to complain about it. So guys, this was a quick review of OnePlus 12, and if you already own OnePlus 11, I don't recommend you guys to upgrade to OnePlus 12. Wait for more in-depth reviews. I personally noticed slight improvements in the camera segment, but other aspects are still left like gaming, performance, battery and more. So give me a week's time, I'll compare all the aspects and let you guys know whether it's a good upgrade from OnePlus 11 or not. As of now, only this much in this video. I hope you guys gonna like the video. If you like the video, then do give us a thumbs up, and also if you're new to our channel, then do not forget to subscribe the channel. Thanks for watching. Have a great day.